That may look like a lot of filler on there, but honestly it's not. It's nice and smooth now. I'm pretty sure I said I was going to wait until I got the bus turned around to complete the next task, but I've gone and done it anyway. I'll show you what it is. I pretty much spent the rest of the day putting the car back on its trestles, so now I'm ready for the next stage of the project. I've now got a lot more access into this rear quarter that I need to make the necessary repairs to. I'm a little bit restricted in space between both projects, but everything's on casters and everything can be moved out of the way quite easily. So the problem that I had was that I couldn't actually keep the wheels on the car because I needed to move the chassis forward. Now the wheels were fouling obviously on each rear quarter. So what I've done, I took the engine dolly that I made for the bus engine when I was taking that out, just made some brackets up and put a lump of timber across the whole thing, just at the right height so that the chassis could sit on top of that, and then I could move it forward with ease. So I could have done with just a little bit more height on this front trestle, just to allow those wheels to pass underneath and allow me to roll the chassis forward more so, but I've got enough room now at the back. This time around I actually secured each end of the trestle to the wall with anchor bolts, and that just reduces the amount of wobble in the actual trestle itself. The best thing is that all my welds held and there wasn't any creaks or strains when I lifted the body up. It's probably going to end up being a very short video, but like I said, this is pretty much taken all day to get this done. But I'm looking forward to cracking on with all the new jobs that I've got, and until then, I'll see you on the next one.